Hi, in this video I'll show you how you can track UTM parameters in Sure Form using a tool called SourceLoop. SourceLoop is a lead source tracking and marketing attribution platform that helps you track the marketing campaign and entire journey behind every lead on your website. To get started, simply visit sourceloop.ai and create your account. Next, add your website and copy the SourceLoop tracking script. You need to add this script in the head section of your website. To do this, you can simply install a free plugin called WP Quote and then navigate to header and footer section of the plugin. Here, add your script on the top and click Save Changes. That's it. Now SourceLoop will start capturing all the visitor attribution info. Next thing that we need to do is to create a form. I have already created a contact form and then added it on one of my WordPress page. Now let's test this out. So we'll visit our website using some dummy UTM parameters related to LinkedIn ads. I'll click enter. This will take us to the test website. Let's navigate to Sure Form and then make a submission. I'll enter my name, email, and some dummy text. Let's click submit. And now let's go back to SourceLoop and score in contact, and here you go. The conversion has been captured. And if we scroll to the right, we can see the exact marketing campaign, source, medium, etc. that we used inside UTM parameter of our link. And this is not just for latest touch. If we scroll to the right, we have more information around first touch as well, device, browser, etc. Let's click on preview to see the entire journey for that lead. Here we can exactly see all the marketing touch point and interaction for the lead on our website, like how many times they visited our page, from which marketing channel, which marketing campaign, etc. and then how they finally converted. So you have the entire conversion journey for that user so that you can run multi-touch attribution analysis. The best part about SourceLoop is it can capture the entire journey of the user, which basically means that even if a user is visiting your site multiple times through different marketing campaigns such as Google Ad, organic social media post, or SEO, it can capture all those marketing touchpoints and then attribute to the same user so that you are able to see the entire journey and the influence of different marketing campaign for that lead. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.